Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Onlinepianist piano songs app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Onlinepianist is a piano learning app focused on teaching users how to play real songs through interactive tutorials. The app includes thousands of updated song lessons, covering pop, classical, anime, Bollywood, and more. Each tutorial is customizable, letting you adjust speed, practice hands separately, loop sections, or follow a step-by-step mode based on your learning pace. It's available on both iOS and Android with options to save songs in a personal songbook and revisit them offline with certain plans. The app's main appeal is its song-based learning approach. Instead of long theory lessons, you jump straight into playing the songs you love. The interface highlights notes visually on a virtual keyboard, making it easier to follow even if you're a beginner. You can choose between simplified and pro versions of songs depending on your skill level. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users enjoy the huge song library, easy controls, and the ability to personalize tutorials. It's considered helpful for building muscle memory and practicing consistently. The layout is clean, and the tutorials sync smoothly with real keyboards or digital pianos. However, the app does have drawbacks. The free version offers very limited songs and includes ads. Most features, including full song access, offline mode, and advanced controls, require a subscription. Some users also feel the lack of full lessons or music theory makes it less complete for absolute beginners. Additionally, not all songs have equal difficulty options. In summary, the Onlinepianist app may be worth using if you want to learn piano by playing real songs with customizable, visual tutorials. However, if you're looking for full structured lessons or want many features for free, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.